यहाँ पे थोड़ी मिस्टेक की है। 4/3 एज इट इज है, ये राइट है। दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट। माइनस साइन 2 गेट कैंसिल। x²/3 है, यहाँ पे हमने अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट पुट की। प्लस साइन है, यहाँ पे हमने माइनस ले लिया था। यहाँ पे प्लस साइन 4/3 इंटू दिस अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट। सो प्लस साइन 4/3 एज इट इज, अपर लिमिट 4 -1 इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, राइट। दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट। 28/3 प्रॉब्लम अराइव्स ओवर हियर। माइनस साइन, दिस इज ऑल्सो 16 -1, ये भी राइट है। यहां पे होता है प्लस साइन 4/3 एज इट इज इंटू 3, सो 3 गेट कैंसल्ड, सो +4 आएगा यहाँ पे। अब 4/3 एज इट इज, दिस इज 2⁻3, दैट इज 8 -1, दैट इज 7, ये भी राइट है। माइनस साइन एज इट इज 15 -12, दैट इज 15 +12 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे माइनस की जगह पे। सो 15 + 12 विल बी 27। 15 चाहिए तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, कैसे कंटिन्यू करें। 15 + 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, दिस इज द करेक्शन ईयर। सो 27/3 दैट इज 9, राइट। सो दिस विल बी 28/3 + 9 -9 यहाँ पे -9। अब सिंप्लीफाई करो। 28/3 -9, 3 और 9 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा 27/3, और सिंप्लीफाई करो, दिस इज 1/3। दिस इज योर आंसर, राइट। नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज एरिया बाय डबल इंटीग्रेशन इन पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स। एरिया बाय डबल इंटीग्रेशन polar coordinates, right. Consider the area enclosed by two plane curves r is equal to f1 of theta and r is equal to f2 of theta, right, intersecting in A r1 alpha and B r2 beta, right. We divide, the curve will look like somewhat like this. Let us say this is the curve. Then we take a radial strip. Similarly, one more strip. This is the shaded rectangle. We are talking about this one. The first angle will be alpha, second angle, that is up to this angle, will be beta, right. This is x, this is y. We divide the area, into small areas by taking the line theta is equal to constant and circles r is equal to constant. Then the area of the elementary rectangle that is this shaded area. We are talking about this shaded area. Is r d theta into dr. r d theta into dr. I think I need to change my pen because this is not visible properly are d theta into dr, right? The required area is given by the formula A is equal to alpha to beta f1 theta to f2 of theta r dr into d theta. This is the formula for finding the area in polar coordinate system. Let's see the example based on this. First example number 1. Find by double integration the area outside the circle r is equal to a, and inside the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos of theta, right? Let us first of all draw this. R is equal to a is a circle, right? That means x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? So obviously this will be a circle with center at origin and radius a. Right? Next is, this is r is equal to a. Next is inside the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. We all know that r is equal to 1 plus cos theta is the cardioid on this side, right? So this will be the cardioid, right? Next we have to find the area outside this circle and inside the cardioid. That means this region. Now this region is also divided into two equal parts, so we can find the region, the area of one region, and then multiply that answer by 2. That will give you the region of this area of this total region, right? This is r is equal to a, and this will be r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, right? Now to find the intersecting point of this circle and the cardioid, we have r is equal to a is a circle with center at origin and radius a, right? To find the intersecting point, आपने ये भी find out कर लिया इतना, let us say this is C. To find intersecting point, r is equal to a and r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Left hand side is same, therefore a is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. A get cancelled, so 1 plus cos theta is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so cos theta is 0. Cos theta 0 कब होता है? This implies that when angle is pi by 2, plus minus pi by 2, right? So this is pi by 2 and plus minus pi by 2. The circle and the cardioid intersect at the y-axis, you can say, right? Theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, if I rename it as A, O, B, then C, then D, this is Q. If we take a strip, radial strip, from this point to this point, we have to shade this region. This is the region where we need to find the area, right? So the required area is twice the area of ABQ CPA. ABQ CPA. This is the region, right? Now consider a radial strip, because अभी आपको लिमिट चाहिए होंगे. Consider a radial strip, since we are dealing in polar coordinate system, so radial strip we have to consider in the region ABQ PA. On this strip, limit will be R will vary from this curve to this curve. This curve is R is equal to A, and this curve is R is equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. So R will vary from R is equal to A to R is equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. At the same time, theta will vary from 0 to pi by 2. Theta will vary from 0 to pi by 2. We are just considering this region, this half region, then we multiply the answer by 2. Right? Therefore, required area is equal to 2 into area of ABQ PA. Therefore, continuing this, we have page number 7. Therefore, area is equal to integration 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2, integration a to a into 1 plus cos theta, then r dr into d theta. This is the formula, right? So integration of r, 2 as it is, 0 to pi by as it is, integration of r dr, r का integration होगा r square by 2 from a to a into 1 plus cos theta, right, into d theta. Simplify this, we have 2 as it is, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Inside this is r square, that is a square 1 plus cos theta. I have to continue over here. This will be 2 by 2 as it is, 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Inside this is r square, that is a square 1 plus cos theta whole square minus a square into d theta, still waiting. Simplify this, 2 get cancelled. So simplify this, we have 0 to pi by 2 as it is. You can take out a square common. Can I take a square common? A square common. Then this 1 plus cos theta minus 1. So 1 plus cos theta square है, that will be 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus 1 into d theta. 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So this is a square 0 to pi by 2 as it is. 1 get cancelled. So this is 2 cos theta, 2 into cos theta plus cos square theta. Now I have to integrate this. So can I convert this into trigonometric, simple trigonometric? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2, right, into d theta. Again simplify this, a square, right? Can I multiply by 2 to each term and then take this 2 outside? A square by 2, 0 to pi by 2 as it is. This will be 4 cos theta plus 1 plus cos of 2 theta into d theta, right? This will be a square by 2 inside. What is the integration of 4 cos theta? That will be 4 sin theta plus integration of 1 is theta plus cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta divided by 2. This is sin 2 theta divided by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Put the upper limit, lower limit now. A square by 2 as it is, 4 into sin pi by 2 माइनस साइन 0 प्लस पाई बाय 2 माइनस 0 प्लस 1/2 आउटसाइड साइन 2 इंटू पाई बाय 2 माइनस साइन 0, right? Simplify this. This will be a square by 2 as it is. Sin pi by 2 is 1. 4 into 1 minus 0 plus pi by 2 as it is minus 1/2 as it is plus 1/2 as it is. Sin pi is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Simplify this. This will be a square by 2 4 plus pi by 2. Right? You can take out 2 common, so this will be a square by 2, डिनोमिनेटर से बाहर आएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद, that will be 4, this will be pi plus 8, this will be your answer, right? Please go through this. If you, this is 2 theta, right? Next example, example number 2. Find by double integration the area common to the cardioids 2014 r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus cos of theta, right? Simplify this. Now r is equal to 1 plus cos theta, just now we have studied r is equal to 1 minus cos theta will be its mirror image, right? So let us first of all draw them. R is equal to 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to 1 minus cos theta, like this, right? Find by double integration the area common to the cardioids. This is like this, please understand that they are equal. थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग में आप थोड़ा सा कवर कर लेना. सो आपको ये जो कॉमन रीजन है 4, उनका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. तो आप एक का भी अगर कॉमन रीजन फाइंड आउट कर सकेंगे तो भी बेटर हो जाएगा, चल जाएगा, राइट? अगर आप इसको देखेंगे तो ये इतना है. आपको एक स्ट्रिप लेनी होगी, यहां से यहां तक मूव करनी होगी. यहां पे थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 है, यहां पे थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2 है. आर विल वेरी फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. ये कर्व है आर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. ये कर्व है आर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा, राइट? Now we have to find the intersecting point of these two curves. The two curves intersects as पहला कर्व है r इज इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा एंड सेकेंड कर्व है r इज इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, राइट? r सेम है इसलिए a इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. a गेट कैंसल्ड, सो 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. कॉस थीटा एक साइड ले लो, 1 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 2 कॉस थीटा is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So cos theta will be 0. Cos theta 0 कब होता है? जब थीटा इज पाई बाय 2. सो यहाँ पे जो थीटा है वो पाई बाय 2 पे ही वो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, राइट? नाउ कंसिडर ए रेडियल स्ट्रिप. पहले ही बताया कि ये 4 इक्वल रीजन है, आप एक ही रीजन का फाइंड आउट कर लो और फिर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. कंसिडर ए रेडियल स्ट्रिप in the shaded area. Shaded area is this. In the radial strip, मैं E strip की बात कर रहा हूँ. In the shaded area. Now find the limits. Limits R will vary from, R जो है वो ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट होगा और इस कर्व तक जाएगा, और ये कर्व है इसका, So r will vary from 0 to a. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. At the same time, theta will vary from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, and therefore next page number 8, the area is given by area A1. Let us rename it as area A is equal to 4 into 4. I am directly multiplying it. पहला लिमिट है आपका थीटा फ्रॉम 0 टू पाई बाय 2. दूसरा लिमिट है r is equal to 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta, then r dr into d theta. What is integration of r? 0 to pi by 2 as it is, r square by 2 from 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta into d theta. Right? Simplify this. This will be 2 बाहर आ जाएगा, 4 upon 2, 0 to pi by 2 as it is. r स्क्वायर की जगह पे होगा a स्क्वायर 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा स्क्वायर माइनस 0 इंटू डी थीटा. सिंप्लीफाई दिस. 2 0 to pi by 2 as it is, a square into 1 minus cos of theta whole square into d theta. Right? A square you can take outside, so this is 2a square outside, 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Expand this bracket, 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta into d theta. Again simplify this. This is 2a square 0 to pi by 2 as it is, 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. Can I write this as 1 plus cos of 2 theta divided by 2 into d theta. Right? Now take the integration now. If you can notice, this is 1 and this is 1 upon 2 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 by 2. So this will be 2a square 0 to pi by 2 as it is. This is 3 by 2 minus 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Now take the integration with respect to theta. This is 2a square 0 to pi by 2. What is integration? 3 by 2's integration is 3 by 2 into theta minus 2 into integration of cos theta is sin theta plus integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2, but 2 already there, so 4. And then from 0 to pi by 2. Now put the upper limit, lower limit. 2a square as it is, 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus 0 minus 2 outside sin pi by 2 minus 0 sin 0 plus 1 upon 4 outside inside sin 2 into pi by 2 minus sin 0. Simplify this. This is 2a square 3 by 2 into pi by 2 is 3 pi by 4 minus sin pi by 2 is 1. This is 0 minus 2. You can write 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 upon 4 as it is. Sin pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. Simplify this. The answer will be 2a square 3 pi by 4 minus 2. Right? You can take out 4 common, or this is also the answer. If you take 4 common, then you have to cross multiply it and then 4 common. 2a square by 4 inside, this is 3 pi minus 8. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so the answer will be a square by 2 3 pi minus 8. This will be your answer, final answer. Right? Now two more examples, or two more examples. I'm just giving you the hint and the limits. You have to solve them. That will end the topic, that is area. Example number 3rd. Now this first question was asked in 2016 examination. Find by double integration the total area of the curve, r is equal to a into sine of 2 theta. This is 2016's examination, right? You have to first of all know this area, this region, right? Since we haven't studied this, first of all we need to understand that r is equal to a into sine 2 theta is a 4-leaved rose like this. This will be the region. You all aware my drawing skills, so please adjust कर लेना. This will be the region r is equal to a sine 2 theta is फोर लीव्स. चारों भी लीव्स जो है वो एक जैसे ही होनी चाहिए, थोड़े बहुत आगे पीछे है, और वो जो है एक सर्कल में होता है. थोड़ा सा आप ड्रॉ कर लेना प्रॉपरली. दिस विल बी दी रीजन, राइट? आपको डबल इंटीग्रेशन से इन चारों लीव्स का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इट विल बी सफिशिएंट टू फाइंड one leaf of this region area. We can find the area of this leaf and then multiply the total answer by 4, right? So the curve is a 4-leafed rose, right? Now you can consider a radial strip. Consider a radial strip. एक रेडियल स्ट्रिप आप कंसिडर करो. और उसको यहां से लेके यहां तक मूव करो. तो ये होगा थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 और ये होगा थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2, राइट? सो कंसिडर ए रेडियल स्ट्रिप in the leaf in the first quadrant. In the leaf in the first quadrant. राइट? अब लिमिट्स देखते हैं इनके. ये लिमिट्स आपको बता देता हूं, फिर आपका आंसर आपको फाइंड आउट करना होगा. द लिमिट्स विल बी r will vary from 0 to this curve, और ये कर्व है r is equal to a sin 2 theta. So r will vary from r is equal to 0 to r is equal to a sin 2 theta, right? And theta will vary from 0 to pi by 2. Theta will vary from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. And therefore area is given by, since we are just considering one leaf, we have to multiply the answer by 4. Then theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, r from 0 to a into sin theta, r dr into d theta. Now it is your duty or your homework or train work, whatever you understand. अब तो ट्रेन है नहीं, so आप homework ही करेंगे, right? So simplify this. The answer must be pi a square by 2. ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना होगा. दिस इज a, 0, राइट? ये हुआ आपका पहला होमवर्क. अभी तक आपको होमवर्क नहीं दिए थे, कुछ आप स्टार्ट भी कर लो. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. दिस इज जस्ट सिमिलर टू द प्रीवियस वन, बस इसमें जो आपका रीजन है वो थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो जाता है. फाइंड बाय डबल इंटीग्रेशन, the area enclosed between by one loop of r is equal to cos of 2 theta. पहले इसमें था r is equal to a sin 2 थीटा, यहाँ पे r इज इक्वल टू cos ऑफ 2 थीटा, यानी a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 1 हो गई है, राइट। सो अगेन ये जो इक्वेशन या फिर ये जो कर्व है, द कर्व r is equal to cos of 2 theta is again a leaf, 4-leaf rows, is a 4-leafed rows, बट इसका जो शेप है वो लिटिल बिट चेंज हो जाएगा अभी। इट इज समवॉट लाइक दिस। आई होप इक्वली दिखे सब। यहाँ पे पाई बाय 4 r इज इक्वल टू कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा, यहाँ पे होगा माइनस पाई बाय 4, राइट। अगेन यहाँ पे भी आप एक ही स्ट्रिप जो है, एक रेडियल स्ट्रिप लेंगे और उसको फाइंड आउट करेंगे। आप चाहिए तो इतना हाफ पोर्शन, ये रीजन आप फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो, राइट। ये भी रीजन 2 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है। दिस रीजन इज ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स। तो आप चाहिए तो इतने ही रीजन का फाइंड आउट करो और उसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, या तो आप इतने पूरे रीजन का एरिया फाइंड आउट करो और उससे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, जो भी आपको कन्वीनियंट लगे। अगर मैं 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो रेडियल स्ट्रिप जो है थीटा विल वेरी फ्रॉम -π/4 टू +π/4। अगर आप सिंगल लीफ से नहीं करना चाहते हैं तो थीटा विल वेरी फ्रॉम 0 टू π/4, राइट। Consider a radial strip now. I'm sorry, यहाँ पे एरिया इनक्लोज बाय 1 लूप बोला है। इक्वेशन तो ऐसा ही है इसका, लेकिन इसका ही रीजन आपको बस फाइंड आउट करना है। ये टोटल एरिया नहीं बोला है इन्होंने, एरिया इनक्लोज बाय 1 लूप बोला है। तो 1 लूप तो इतना ही होगा, राइट। सो इसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप बस हाफ का आंसर फाइंड आउट करो, उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो। अगर एरिया इनक्लोज बाय दिस रीजन बोलते हैं तो हम लोग फिर उसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या 8 से करते हैं, राइट। सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को आपको बहुत केयरफुली देखना होगा। कंसिडर रेडियल स्ट्रिप in the half of the leaves, half of the leaf above the x-axis, above the x-axis। अब उसमें लिमिट्स आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे। लिमिट्स होंगे r will vary from 0 to this part, r will vary from 0 to r is equal to cos 2 theta, एंड थीटा विल वेरी फ्रॉम, अगर आप इतना ही रीजन फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं तो 0 टू π/4, एंड देयरफॉर एरिया इज गिवन बाय 2 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, क्योंकि एक एरिया एक लीफ का है। थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 टू π/4 एंड आर इज इक्वल टू 0 टू कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा आर डी आर इंटू डी थीटा। ये भी आपको होमवर्क रहेगा। प्लीज ट्राई टू फाइंड दिस आंसर। टोटल आंसर विल बी π/8। ये ट्राई करना है 2 एग्जांपल्स। ये टोटल 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमने स्टडी किए। आफ्टर दीज क्वेश्चंस फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया बाय डबल इंटीग्रेशन इन कार्टेशियन एंड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, आई एम हियर बाय announce that the topic that is double integration is over, wherein we have studied evaluation of double integration when limits are given in terms of regions or curves, then finding the evaluating the double integration when the equation or the question is given in polar form, then changing to polar and evaluating, then change of order, likewise area by double integration. This total double integration topic is over. In the next lecture we'll start with the next topic, that is triple integrations.